Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to change your Act layout screen to a different layout. So if you didn't know this, what you're looking at on the screen right now is called a layout. It's what has all the fields and all the information. Everything you see up here, this is a layout. So if you want to change the layout, it's very simple. All you do is come over to the right of the Save button, these three little dots, click on them. And these are three layouts that come with Act built in. Now, you might have customized the layout. You'll have to know the name of the layout you want. But I want you to observe that the layout that is currently selected is the one that is got the highlighting behind it. So if I want to change it to this layout, I just click on it. You'll see your screen refresh and it changed the layout. Let me go to another layout just so you can see the subtle differences. Now, when I work with my clients, I typically customize the layout to suit their business. So you might have a unique layout. If you have any questions on this or anything related to Act Premium Cloud or this layout or anything about layouts, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you. Bye now.